So I finally got my irrigation going. Took me about 4 days. We had to dig the trench. I got this pump. This is the standpipe that the water comes from down here. Remember that? We dug that. And then they put this Y in over here. And then this water's coming all the way from Arrow Rock, down the Boise River, through the diversion dam, all the way along the bench in the New York Canal to my backyard. It's amazing. It's like I got a little leak here. Put some more Flex Seal on there. It's a 1.5 horsepower pump, but look at all this water. I've only got it on halfway. I'm gonna irrigate this whole backyard. Baxter's soaking wet. Hey buddy, are you super wet? So I got this flood irrigation hose. I got another one on the way. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but so then I got a garden hose over here that goes to the backyard. And I got one in the front yard that goes all the way to the front yard. So getting water from the Boise River all the way up here on the bench. Baby, where are you? You have to go. Who's that? Is that the baby? You got a little sun in your eyes, do you? Yeah, Baxter, he got a little bit more than he could chew.